Welcome back. Opening scene: the 2025 Audi R8, a name that echoes through the halls of performance car history, a machine that has defined precision, speed, and sheer driving emotion for nearly 2 decades. But now, it's time to witness the final evolution of this legendary supercar, the last of its kind. Under the hood, a one last dance for Audi's naturally aspirated 5.2-litre V10, a masterpiece of engineering that sings all the way to 9,000 RPM, unleashing 620 horsepower and 428 pounds-to-feet of torque. Power that surges through Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive, launching the R8 from 0 to 60 in just 3.1 seconds. This isn't just performance, it's an experience. The kind that raises the hairs on your arms and sends chills down your spine. And let's talk about the sound. In an era of artificial engine notes and silent electric motors, the R8's V10 roars unapologetically. Every throttle blip, every downshift to its mechanical music, a symphony of raw power. A sound that will soon become extinct. The design, sharper, more aggressive, yet unmistakably R8. The signature side blades remain, paying tribute to its origins. But now, wider air intakes, an even more menacing stance, and a redesigned rear diffuser amplify its presence. The optional carbon fiber aero package, pure aggression. Every detail, every crease in the bodywork, engineered for one purpose: performance. Inside, the cockpit is an extension of the driver's mind. Minimalist, focused, but luxurious. Alcantara, carbon fiber, and digital precision blend seamlessly. The 12.3-inch virtual cockpit eliminates distractions, putting everything the driver needs right in front of them. No gimmicks, no oversized touchscreens, just pure, unfiltered driving engagement. But here's the reality: this is the last Audi R8, the final chapter in an era of naturally aspirated madness. With electrification on the horizon, this is Audi's farewell letter to the combustion-powered supercar. A moment in time we'll never get back. Owning this car isn't just about speed or prestige. It's about holding on to something rare, something pure. It's about celebrating an icon before it becomes a legend of the past. The 2025 Audi R8 isn't just another supercar. It's a statement, a reminder of what cars used to be before the silence takes over. And for those lucky enough to get behind the wheel, it's a chance to feel something realer one last time.